Baursak is a traditional Central Asian fried dough snack that is crispy on the outside and soft inside. Today we will prepare this simple and delicious homemade baursak step by step. To prepare baursak, we need all-purpose flour, warm milk, yeast, sugar, salt, eggs melted deep frying. These simple ingredients create the perfect fluffy fried dough. In a bowl, combine warm milk, sugar, and yeast. Stir gently and allow the yeast to activate for several minutes until it becomes foamy. Add flour into a mixing bowl, then pour in the yeast mixture. Add eggs, salt, and melted butter. Mix everything together until a soft dough begins to form. Knead the dough for several minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step helps develop the perfect fluffy texture. Cover the dough and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 hour. Roll the dough into a flat sheet and cut it into small squares or diamond shapes, which are the traditional shapes for baursak. Carefully place the dough pieces into hot oil and fry them until they puff up and become beautifully golden brown. Serve these warm, fluffy fried dough bites as a snack or with tea. Enjoy the authentic taste of homemade baursak.